Okay, welcome back. I'm in the studio today with the very lovely Emma, who's a local pin-up model and newbie burlesque performer. Saw her perform last weekend, she was fantastic, so I can't wait to see her on the stage again. Today we're doing some Betty Page inspired shots, but with a bit of a modern take on the lighting. So for our front light, I'm using the Aputure 120D right up here with the light dome mini attached, and it's also got the grid on it. So that's giving us a nice sort of pool of light on the front of Emma, and it's falling down her body, so it gets a little bit darker towards her feet. Our rim lights are with the Lupo Superpanels with grids attached. So they're just giving that little bit of extra separation from the background. And then our background light, which is creating that cool pattern, is another Aputure 120D, and the barn doors on that are from my old Lowel Omni-light. So not too sure whether they're still available, but I dug them out and adapted them to the 120D, and they work fantastic. And it's probably my favourite light shaper at the moment for creating some cool patterns and shadows. So, all right, we're going to get stuck into it. You ready?
Absolutely, let's
Excellent.
do it.
Let's do it. All right, I'll start with just a fairly tight sort of shot from knees up. Cool, that's good. I might just have to play around with that background light a little bit. The lighting on you looks gorgeous.
Yep, that's awesome.
So I'm just gonna want to play with that pattern, make it a bit more interesting.
Yep.
So these barn doors came from an old tungsten light, which was like, tungsten gets really, really hot.
Yeah.
So I was forever, burning my fingers. But now with the LED lights, it's just super cool. And yeah, I don't have to worry about getting a towel out or something or pegs or something to change it. Pretty good. I just need to change the angle a little bit more. So you're perfectly in the center of that hot spot, the bright spot on the background. Yeah, that looks good. Nice, that's great. Yeah, that's lovely. I'm just going to try a full length shot. Yeah, that's good. Awesome. Loving that outfit.
Oh, gorge. Probably need to drop my chin a bit more. Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
Prowess.
Cool. I'm just going to actually bring these two lights in just a tiny. I'm just going to bring this in a little bit closer behind you. Okay. So you get so many different results.
Fantastic. So creative.
Let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, that looks good. Can you just take a little step that way? Yep, perfect, just there. Yeah, I'm loving that pattern.
Ooh, that is, oh, I like
Yep.
it. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, eh?
Fantastic. Yeah, it changes so much.
It does, yeah. Just gonna change the angle of this guy a little bit, just drop it a little bit higher, down a little. Okay. Yeah, great. Some lovely shape happening there, that's really good. Just a tiny step back, yep, that's it. Yeah, that's really nice looking away to your right, yep. Just eyes closed on a couple there. Chin up a little bit. Yep, and eyes closed. That's it. Love it.
Oh, magical. Yep.
Let's try turning this way a little bit more again.
Yep.
Yeah, just chin right to your shoulder. Yep, that's it. Yeah, I'll come in for a fairly tight shot now. Bring your face around a little bit more. Yeah, just there, and then eyes to me. That's it. Actually, I'm just going to turn this guy down just a little bit. That's it. So you can keep that elbow gear tucked in a little bit tighter. Yeah, that's it. Chin up again. That's it. Let's turn the background light down a little bit more, so it's a bit more subtle. Just drop that arm down again out of the shot. Yep, I'm just coming for a tight shot. Chin up a little now, that's it. Chin just around here a little, that's it. And I'm just going to turn this away a little bit more. It's a bit too much light coming straight at me. That looks a bit better. Yeah, lovely. Chin to your shoulder a bit more. That's it, and then eyes to me. Perfect. Yeah, just keep your eyes closed for a second. And then open again. Great. Just try breathing through your lips a little bit more so they're slightly apart. Yeah, you're not, so, but it's just to get a little bit of separation. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Yeah, bring your shoulder up a little. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, perfect.
Oh, yep.
Like it?
Definitely changes your lip shape, doesn't it?
Yep, it does. Cool. Let's maybe try sort of facing back into that corner. So yeah, looking back over your shoulder this way. Yeah, that's good. So I'll go back to a 3/4 kind of shot. Yep. Nice. Just need to turn the background light up a touch again now. Yeah, perfect. I'll do a full length actually. Just take your left foot forward just a tiny bit. Yeah, that's it. Just try getting a little bit more curve in the back. Yeah, booty out, that's it. Excellent. Yeah, love it. Just try bringing that right hand up a little bit higher, and elbow up a little higher as well. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, looking away is good. Yeah, down a touch though. That's it, just there. Brilliant.
God, you're clever.
Thank you.
That is awesome. Definitely getting those Betty vibes.
Yeah, definitely.
With the booty shot.
Yep.
Awesome.
Yep. So you can see why I spend so much time just tweaking the lights.
Yes.
Because I prefer to get it as good as I can in camera.
Yeah.
Spend less time on the computer. Yep. Okay, that was a really quick but awesome shoot with Emma. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, thank you.
Got some amazing shots really quickly, which is always a great thing. The lighting worked really well, and yeah, Emma posed really well, so we got the shots what we wanted really quite quickly, so very happy. Thanks for watching, and until we see you in the next video, ciao for now.